Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Lloyds Bank account online. To do so, firstly go to your preferred web browser. Here I'm using Safari for now. Then on the search box, search for www.lloydsbank.com and press enter. This will take you to the home page of their website. Before logging in, you will have to make sure that you have created an account before. If you do, then you may go to the log on button, which is located right beside the search text box. Then click on the log on button. This opens up a small expansion with a few options. Here, you may click on the register button right above the keep me secure button to register to your account if you do not have an account yet. However, if you do have an account, you may choose between your personal account or your business account. Here, I will be choosing my personal account to log on to. Then, a new page opens up where you will have to enter your login credentials. Here, I will be adding my personal bank account credentials. However, if you've reached here and you still don't have an account yet, you are given an option to click on the register online link right above the user ID text tab. Furthermore, to continue logging in, you may enter your user ID in the first text tab. Then you may enter your password in the second. Once you do so, you may click on the box below to make sure that the website remembers your user ID. In any case, if you forget your user ID or your password or any other logon details, then you may click on the Forgotten Your Logon Details link right beside the Continue button. Once you filled in all your details correctly, then you may click on the Continue button to log in. This is how you may simply log into your Lloyds Bank account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.